Hi folks, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio, looking at 2019 Ram 1500 Limited. Stock number is 28392T. It is a black in color. Got your tow hooks here in the front as well. Fog lights, two-tone rims. Got your turn signals here in your mirrors as well. It's got the 5.7 Hemi. Automatic running boards that flip out. Two cup holders here in the door. Coins, there. You got the 12-inch touchscreen in this one. You got a heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats. They're leather, black. They have gray stitching, gray trim. All your features here. It's got the panoramic roof that goes all the way back. All your controls for it there as well. And this thing is loaded. There's not nothing that don't have. Four-wheel drive. All your hands free for your calling, your cruise control, lane sense. Here's for up here on the dash. You can change the volume back here, and you got radio controls on the other side as well. Limited floor mats. Got cooler on each side. Because you're taking a road trip, you guys want to bring some drinks or something. Spray in bed liner. Backup camera. There's for your hitch air. There's for your hookups. And this is a really good looking truck, folks. Got your lane sense here in your mirrors. Again, folks, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Looking at 2019 Ram 1500 Limited. Stock number again is 28392T. You can visit us online at www.sherrychrysler.com. Give us a call, 937-778-0830.